Good morning, children. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the science lesson for 7th class students. That is food components. Food components. Right. You know very well about your food components. Food. Okay, what you are eating every day. Every day, what you are eating? In the previous classes, we have learned that we eat many kinds of food like biryani, pulihora, idli, chapati, dal. Okay, what are you eating every day? Every day you are eating sometimes biryani, okay, sometimes dal rice, okay, dal and rice. And next, pulihora and chapati. Pulihora and chapati. Right. So, and you also learned how to cook some kinds of food, making them tasty and palatable. Means what is palatable? Palatable means it is also called as tasty only. Okay. Palatable. Palatable means which will be eat, which will we are going to eat that should be somewhat pleasant to your tongue. Okay. That is what tasty nature. Okay. So all the food items when we are going to cook, that should we have to know how to make them tasty, and we learned how to cook the food also. Okay, so by adding oil and by adding some sugandha dravyas, okay, that is condiments means what? Sugandha dravyas, condiments. Okay, condiments nothing but what? Sugandha dravyas, you know very well. Ilachi, okay, ilachi and lavanga, okay, right, that is clove, okay, clove oil or cloves, okay, we are going to be add some biryani leaves, okay, right, biryani leaves and coriander leaves, kothimira, what do you call coriander leaves, okay, all these are going to be called as condiments or sugandha dravya. Okay, we are going to be adding all these things to make the food very tasty. How we are going to be make the food tasty? By adding oil. One is what? Adding oil and adding some ilachi, some cloves, biryani leaves, coriander leaves. All these things are going to be add to the food particles to make them tasty. Right now. So everyone have their own favorite food. You know very well. You are having somewhat own favorite food. Some are having veg biryani. Some are having chicken biryani, mutton biryani, like that. Dal rice. Some are having pulihora. Some are having chapati. Some are very interested towards dosa. Okay, right, like that. Everyone is having somewhat favorite food. Is only favorite food sufficient for you? No. Not only favorite food, you have to take the food should consist all the food components, right now. So what food do you eat every day? You know very well, we are eating every day jowar roti, chapati, okay, jowar roti, chapati, sometimes dal rice, sometimes chicken rice, veg biryani, like that we are going to be eating, right now. So think, why do you eat that food? Why do you eat that food? You know very well, to get energy. One is what? To get energy. To get energy, we have to eat the food, and control your body, okay, from the attacking of virus or bacteria. You know very well, in this pandemic situation, okay, now corona moment is going on now, so we have to take some vitamin C, vitamin E, okay, food items, okay, like that. We should eat the food for the energy to do activities and to control your body from the attacking of virus and bacteria. Means to make your body system somewhat healthy in nature. Right now, next. So let us do activity 1. We eat different types of food items. Make a group of with 5 and 6 students. Make a list of some day-to-day activities. What we have to do? One activity you should do. One activity you should do. Activity 1. What is that activity 1? One is food items list you have to write. Food items list you have to write. And what are the activities? Activities performing day-to-day life. Activities performing in day-to-day life. Okay, day-to-day life. Okay, right. In day-to-day life, what are the activities we are going to be do? Okay, we are going to do. One is what? Running, walking. Okay, right. Sometimes we are going to wash the dishes. Okay, and washing clothes. Okay, right now, washing clothes and preparing food, right, doing some exercises. Okay, physical exercises, doing some physical exercises. Okay, all these are day-to-day activities. Okay, for this what we have to do? We have to eat some type of food items. What are the food items we are going to eat? We are going to eat dal rice, pulihora, chapati, dosa, jawar roti. Okay, veg biryani. Like that we are going to be eating. Sometimes chicken biryani, mutton biryani also we are going to be eating. Is it clear? Right. So, do we need energy when we sleep or not? Right. We need energy even at the time of sleeping also. That's why we should eat the food. What is the relationship between food and performing activities? Okay, every activity is going to be need some energy. Where the energy is coming? Energy is coming from the food items. So what we have required? We eat food items. Okay, we should eat food items. If you are not eating food items, what will happen? You are going to be tired. Okay, so eat food items. By that, you are going to get the energy. Then you can perform activities very well. Okay, do you want to perform the activities? What you require? You require the different types of food items. Dal, rice, chapati, curry, okay, veg biryani, chicken biryani, jawar roti, all things we require. Okay, those food items is giving energy. That energy is useful to performing the activities in day-to-day life. Is it clear now? Right now. Next, do we need energy when we sleep? Yes, we need energy even at the time of sleeping also. Do you know that even while sleeping we breathe, our blood is going to be circulated in the body, goes on. So do you agree that we need energy even while sleeping? Yes, we need energy while sleeping. Okay, right. So can we add some more activities performed by our body during sleep? Right, sometimes we are going to move our body. Activities means we are moving our legs, hands, okay, from that side, this side. Okay, right. Read the following and discuss with your friends. Suppose you don't get food for lunch, how do you feel? You are feeling somewhat hungry. Hungry now? Right. Now, next, if you don't get anything for more than a day, how will you feel? You are feeling uneasy and depressive. And if you don't get food for many days, what will happen to your body? You may not have energy for doing activities, and lastly you are going to get death also. Right. So why should we take food? We should take food for making ourselves healthy, and we should require energy to do activities. What are the components in it? Okay, the food, every food consists of some type of components. Okay, what are those components? Listing out the components. Okay, right. I will say now. Right. Right, observe the given packet of biscuit or anything. Okay, right, list out the food components present in it. Put a tick mark if you find the listed food components present in the food items. Collect some other food packets as well, like those are chips, milk, juice, dal, etc. and identify different components present in them and record in the given table. Page number 2. Right, food items and its components present in it. Right, food item, for example, milk is there. Milk powder. Milk powder consists what? Carbohydrates. Right, carbohydrates which can give the energy. Okay, right, next, protein. Protein is useful to form the muscles in your body. Right, so protein also present in the milk. Carbohydrate present, protein present, fats means what? Oils. It is also called as lipids. Okay, these are helpful for giving somewhat heatness to the body. Fat is also somewhat important. Right, vitamins and minerals. Right, so vitamins and minerals also present in the milk. Other things, what may be the present in the other, if any present, that is fibers or roughages. Okay, right. If you take the vegetables, okay, even these vegetables, sometimes in some vegetables, that is potato or any groundnut. Okay, these can consist, vegetables consist from carbohydrates. Okay, right. Fats also present. Maximum proteins. Right, proteins also present in this. Right, proteins also present. Fats, proteins, vegetables. Okay, right. Now just a minute. Vegetables means some leafy vegetables are there. Leafy vegetables do not consist this carbohydrates. Okay, proteins, fats also absent. These are going to be consisting vitamins and minerals. Okay, some fibers also present. Leafy vegetables I am talking about. Leafy vegetables I have written here. Green leafy vegetables consist only vitamins, minerals and fibers. Right. You can take the fruits. Okay, fruits may not have carbohydrates. Okay, proteins absent, even fats also absent. These are also consisting vitamins and minerals, some fibers. Fibers are what? Roughages. Right. Meat. You can take the meat. Okay, goat meat or sheep meat. Okay, even chicken also. The meat consists carbohydrates absent, proteins present, fats present, even vitamins and minerals also. Vitamins not present in this. Okay, but somewhat rare, comparatively rare vitamins present in this meat. Okay, other if any, that fibers also sometimes present. Okay, fibers also present. Okay, right. This is the list we are going to discuss here. Milk consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, fibers. Okay, leafy vegetables may not consist these carbohydrates, proteins may not present, fats may not present, but vitamins, minerals present, fibers present. Right, fruits, they may not consist the carbohydrates not having, proteins not having, fats not having, vitamins, minerals had, and fibers also had in it. Okay, meat consists proteins, fats, okay, vitamins, minerals, fibers. But meat do not consist the carbohydrates. This is the table 1. Right. What are the components present in biscuits? Okay, this biscuit always consisting sugar content more and more. Okay, right. And some protein, carbohydrate also present in the biscuits. Rarely some fat also present. What components most common in your list? That is, carbohydrates are common in our list. Okay, any type of food you have to take, any type of food item that consisting carbohydrates most probably. Okay, right. Do you find any vitamins and minerals in that particular chips or biscuits or milk powder? No. Okay. Most probably not had. Okay. Right. Where do you write salt and sugar? Why? Where do you write? Okay. Salt and sugar we are going to write somewhat below. Okay. In the given list. Why? Because we require salt and sugar. Very little amount we should require. Are there any food items with similar components? Right, biscuit is equal to the somewhat milk powder. Okay, right. Sometimes this milk powder equal to the curd also. Right, like that. Some comparison is there. Okay, mana polchochu kudantam. Right now, next. What are the essential components of food? Our food consists of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Besides these, water and fiber also present. Okay, these are the essential components of our food and we call them nutrients. Okay, right. Okay, our food consists of different types of components, food components. Okay, food components. Food components. What are the food components? One is what? Carbohydrates. One is what? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Another one is what? Proteins. Proteins. Another one is what? Fats. Fats. Vitamins. Vitamins. Okay, right. Minerals. Minerals. Minerals are nothing but what now? Minerals are nothing but a small amount of metallic components which required for the blood circulation. Those are called as minerals. Okay, right now. So these are called as essential food components. Essential food components. Okay, right. These essential food components, these are going to be called as nutrients. What those are called as? Nutrients. What are the nutrients are present in your food? Nutrients are carbohydrates. Nutrients. What are the nutrients are present? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay. Sometimes fibers also present. Fibers. These are also very important. Fibers also present. Right now. Next. Okay. Confirmation of the presence of food components. Okay, we are having different types of food materials like milk, potato, little quantity of oil, ghee. Okay, test these food items what they are going to be consisting inside. Okay, this you will need test tube, stand plate and dropper. You would also need some chemicals given for each testing. Okay, right. So test for the starch. Okay, where the starch present? Starch present in the carbohydrates. Starch present in the carbohydrates. Starch means what? Pindi padartham. What do you call in Telugu? Okay, right. Pindi padartham. Okay. How we are going to test this starch? You have to take a test tube or cup. Okay. You are going to take what? 1 cup. Okay. Onto this cup, you should take a few drops of iodine. Few drops of. You should take what? You take a cup and add some starch food item to this. Okay, or any potato chip or otherwise right, potato chip or idli you can take. Okay, what I mean that a few drops of dilute iodine solution. Dilute iodine solution. Iodine solution. Add to it. Iodine solution add to it. Okay. Then automatically what will happen? What will happen? This food item turns in the form of blue color. If the substance turns dark blue color. Dark blue color. Okay. When substance turns dark blue color, then automatically we are going to say that it is consisting starch in it. Starch present means what we require? We require iodine solution iodine solution and some carbohydrate food, carbohydrated food. This carbohydrated food turns in the form of dark blue color, means presence of starch is there in that. Okay, next, test for fats. Fats present or not? Okay, in a given particular food item. How we are going to find out it? So rub it gently, a piece of paper. We have to take a piece of paper, okay, and take some groundnut granules. Okay, means verushanakkaya. Okay, the groundnuts when you have take and rub the groundnuts on this paper, then automatically when you rub it, that paper turns in the form of translucent. Okay, translucent means what? Translucent means when you are seeing that through this paper, you are going to be seeing somewhat other side also. Okay, partially it is visible. That is called what? Translucent. Okay, this making the paper into translucent paper means that rubbed food item is going to be consisting. Rubbed food item. Okay, rubbed food item make the paper translucent, means it means what? Presence of fats. Some oils are there. Fats are what? Oils. Okay, oils present in the food item, then it is automatically that means. Okay, now test for proteins. Okay, preparation of 2% of copper sulfate solution and 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. Right, test for proteins. Okay, proteins are there here. These proteins, how we are going to test this protein solution? Right, what we have to do for this protein solution? You have to prepare the 2% copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate, CuSO4. Copper sulfate. I have written molecular formula. Copper sulfate, CuSO4. And 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. That is NaOH. Sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, right. So what you have to do? Take to make 10% of sodium hydroxide solution means 10 grams of sodium hydroxide in 10 grams of NaOH in 100 ml water. Right, in 100 ml water. And 2% copper sulfate solution is equal to what? 2 grams of copper sulfate granules in 100 ml water. Okay, right. So you have to prepare that solution. Then with the substitute issue, test the solid grinded powder or paste. Take a little amount of pasted substance in the test tube and add 10 drops of water to it, stir it well. And what you have to do? Take a clean test tube. Okay, to this clean test tube, what you have to add? 10 drops of food item, food substance. Okay, food component. What you have to take in for the protein test. Okay, protein food component. I am writing here protein food component. Right, add 10 drops. Then add to this. What you have to add? 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. 2 drops of 2% copper sulfate solution. 2% copper sulfate solution. And to this also add 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. 10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Right, and stir it well. Stir means what? Shake the test tube. Then automatically what will happen? Color changes. This food item color changes. To the violet color or purple color. Okay, purple means what? How that brinjal color. Okay, vankai అలాంటి కలర్ ఒకవేళ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతే ఆటోమేటికల్లీ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సే దట్ ఇట్ కన్సిస్టింగ్ ఆర్ the presence of protein is present. Protein is presence of protein in that food item. Okay, that is the meaning of it. Okay, in the above tests you show the presence of components of food which are usually present in large amounts of compared to others. All types of food that we eat contain all the above mentioned food components. The quantity of food, each component present in every food item, that is different from one to another. In rice, carbohydrates are more. Okay, in oils and fats are present in more quantity. Okay, some other things also. Rice consists carbohydrates. Okay, oils present in groundnut. Okay, right. Even sunflower seeds. Okay, any oil seeds consisting more oils or fats are present in that. Okay, like that up to experiment 3 we have completed today. We are going to discuss about the let us do 4 activity 4 from tomorrow onwards. Okay, right. Thank you to all.